Hello, my name is Mark Gershom, and I'd like to invite you to join me in the Holy Land, Israel. I'm a certified tour guide in the Ministry of Tourism, and I run and operate my customized and group tours in the land. As a local, I can help you plan the trip of your lifetime. Israel is known as a destination of Jewish, Christian, and Muslim pilgrims for hundreds of years, and they come to visit the holy sites throughout the land. No wonder every biblical event occurred here. Did you also know that Israel is a cultural center of the Middle East with 9 UNESCO World Heritage Centers and more museums per capita than anywhere in the world? But if a luxurious vacation is your style, then Red Sea, Dead Sea, Mediterranean all offer deluxe hotels and spas for an appealing stay. Israel is a land of natural wonders with over 400 nature reserves and national parks awaiting your exploration. I am also a certified gardener and a licensed tour guide of the Botanical Gardens Association, so I can share with you my knowledge about the trees and beautiful plants in this land. I offer package tours for groups, families, and individuals with planned itineraries. Or you may decide to choose your own destination with my custom option. For large groups, a modern, comfortable coach is used for transportation. You know, I'm a licensed commercial driver as well, so if you may opt to be driven in my car, Subaru XV Premium, up to 4 passengers, it's also an option. My friends, I would consider it a privilege to help you plan your dream trip and be your guide in Israel. Please visit my website for further details and booking information at www.markgershom.com. And welcome to Israel.